Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving northeast on Brayton Parkway towards Cashew Avenue in Portmore Pines, Portmore, St. Catherine Parish. To the right, you can find Sunshine Palace Cinema and Portmore Pines Plaza. On the left is Silverstone Community. On the right is Portmore Tax Office. The road on the right is Naggohead Drive, which will take you towards Bridgeport, Port Endicott, and onto Port Endicott Road, popularly Back Road. Portmore Pines is a neighborhood in Portmore, and it is situated nearby the neighborhoods Silverstone and Newland. Notably, Portmore is a large urban settlement located along the south coast of Jamaica. Portmore is nicknamed the Sunshine City. Turning off Brayton Parkway onto Cashew Avenue, and the signs to the left and right both reads "Welcome to Portmore Pines." If we had continued straight, then the road would take us towards Southborough and Bridgeport. We are now at Alamanda Drive intersection. On the right is Anato Close. We are at Bamboo Drive intersection. Cashew Avenue ends, and just ahead is Breadnut Street. Turning onto Breadnut Street. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.